Hi, my name is Chris O'Neill. I'm a product marketing director at Analog Devices. I'm here with my colleague today, David Ye, who's a product line manager. We're both in the microwave communication group. Today we're going to discuss ADI's new high-speed wireless data interconnect. Before my colleague Dave describes a little bit about the product in this very, what we think is cool demo, we'd like to discuss a little bit about the background of the problem statement and why this is interesting to our customers. If you can imagine today's automated manufacturing facilities, there's many different robots connecting to tool sets, and during the day they're constantly changing in and out these different tool sets to do different operations. During that changeover they have to have a precision connection, and typically today these are done with mechanical connectors. Those connectors in time can wear out or they can be damaged, so there has to be very precision alignment. And then if you can imagine, if it does get damaged or wear out in time, they actually have to shut the line down. When that line is shut down, they have to stop the whole operation. This is a major cost problem for the customer. So today they're looking at replacing those with wireless connectivity, and we chose a 60 gig solution that David will talk a little bit more about. But before he does, I want to add one more thing. You're seeing this demo here, it's actually a rotational demo. So many other applications have a rotary joint, and these require that the solution also could be mechanically or capacitively or optically coupled. They also have wear out, capacity, throughput issues, as well as environmental issues where they don't work as well as our 60 gig solution. So now I'll stop and turn it over to David.
At the heart of this demo, we have ADI's latest product offering, Admv 9611, and this counterpart 9621. So this PCB subassembly, including the 60 GHz TX, 60 GHz receiver, and the VB antenna, which is also running at 60 GHz. The rest of the circuitry that you see on the PCB board are auxiliary circuitry for interfacing, power supply, as well as crystal reference. So what we are demoing here on the live demo is we're taking a live camera feed, have a HDMI signal in the baseband. We are convert to 60 GHz on the stationary side, transmitted over the air, wire this in rotation movement. On the rotational parts, you down convert into baseband, but we using the other channel, up convert, go back to the other side, and on the stationary side, go back to the HDMI channel and go back to the TV above. So you can see this complete demo with a very minimum latency. This is providing the full duplex data link that's to be used for a lot of connector replacement applications. For more information, please contact ADI and look at our website at analog.com.